everybody, my name is Camille Delta-Wan and I'm your Instruction and Outreach Librarian. And I am here today to show you how to do permalinks, how to create a stable link that you can utilize in your Canvas course or distribute to your students so that they can utilize library resources for readings, assignments, etc. Let's get started. So to get started with making a permalink, you're going to start at our library homepage. All of the instructions on how to make permalinks are actually located on our faculty resources guide right here. If you go to here and then go to course development and then scroll down to linking to library resources, this is going to give you a guide on how to find stable links in every single database that we offer. If it's an EBSCO database or Pirate Search, or if it's a Gale database or a JSTOR, etc. The way that you generate stable or permanent links is generally the same with a few variations based on the database. Today, I'm going to show you how to do this in an EBSCO database or Pirate Search. But if you would like to utilize this method for any of our other databases, feel free to refer back to this page, library.park.edu/faculty. Let's first search for an article in Pirate Search. And my class is all about cats. So I'm going to search for cats in Pirate Search. Great. So now I found an article that I'd like to provide for my students to read in our Canvas course. I'm just going to click on the article. And then right here on the right-hand side, there's a tools bar. If I go all the way down to where it says permalink and click on that, this will give me a permanent or stable link that I can provide for my students. All I have to do is copy this and put it into my Canvas shell, and they will be able to read it once they authenticate with our system. That's all it takes to create a permanent or stable link to library resources in your courses for your students. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the library, and we'd be glad to offer more assistance.